Hey guys, I'm DutchSimGirl and welcome back to a new video on my channel. So today's video will be a unboxing video. So it's almost my birthday. My birthday is on the 3rd of March and I actually have a box standing behind me and we are going to unbox it today. So I already know what is in there because I wanted it for my birthday. But we're going to unbox it together, see what's all in there, how it works, and yeah, let's go! Yay! Okay, so I packed it all out and here is the camera. So it is a Canon and it's a really nice one. Hey, we found. And yeah, I will go and test it out in a bit. But first of all, here's a little cable to which I can put it in and then put around my neck if I want to take pictures. So that's this one. Here is the cable for charging. I think, no, not for charging. What am I talking about? For transferring pictures from the camera to my laptop. And here is the charger. I already put the battery in the camera and I really love how it looks and I'm so happy with it. I wanted a camera a long time now and I finally got it and I'm so happy with it. And now I can finally make good pictures. So here I am. Hey guys, so I am in my living room now and this camera, I'm using it right now and it looks so beautiful. Oh, it's so bright outside. It's so pretty. Such good quality. And I love it. So yeah, I wanted this camera for a long time now. And I wanted it for my birthday, so I paid a bit with it. But my parents kind of gave it to me. But it came in today, so I got it a bit earlier than I actually should have. That's okay. Look how perfect. Okay, I love it. So I'm going to make some pictures and maybe some footage of something and then I will show you those.